Hello friends, welcome back to Money YouTube Tips English. Today I will talk about how can we download the copyrights free images from the Google. If you want use those images in your video, you can use it. You cannot face any copyrights problem in the future. Most of them are downloading the uh, images from the Google and using in their video. If you do these mistakes, you may face the copyrights claim in future. So today you will learn how to download the copyrights free images and what setting you need to do before searching the images. Please stay tuned with me till end of the video, so you will learn how to download the copyrights free images from the Google. So let's get started without wasting your time. So I will explain how to get these images. First, you can open the google.com and type Google Images. So here you will find lot of images. So the Google Images website came. Now you press it, this website. Now you can type the name of the images which you want to use in your video clips. Now I am writing animals images. I need animals images, copyrights free animals images. Don't download the images and don't use those images in your video. Copyrights images, you may see these images is subject to the copyrights. Below the image you may see these sentence. If you change these settings in these website, you can get copyrights free images to use in your video clips. See, a lot of images were displayed on the screen. Now you can go to the settings and go to the advanced search option. Now you can write the exact name of the images. Please subscribe my video and channel and give your valuable comments about these videos. You can select the image size. If you need any size, you can choose, and lesser than or larger than 10 MB, 4 MB, 12 MB. So you can choose the aspects ratio, tall, square, wide. There are four options they have given in this section, and you can also choose the color of the image, any colorful color, black, white, transparent, or this color. You can choose any one of them. Choose the type of images. You must change these settings before downloading the images from the Google. So if you do these settings on your website, you can get the copyrights free images. You can use it, no problem, and select the region or country. If you choose any particular country, you can get the images from that country. If you want to download, you can do these settings. You can choose the file type JPG. They have given the some format. Now you need to do one important settings, usage rights. See, not filtered by license. If you go to directly to the Google, if you put any images, you will get only licensed images. So if you do these settings, you will get without any license copyrights problem. Choose free to use, share and modify even commercially, then give the advanced search. Now you can find lot of images with copyrights free images. You can use it those images on your video clips. If you use it, you cannot uh, get any copyrights claim in the future. So you can also give the appreciation to the original creator or website where you will download it, that particular images. So give credit to them in your video or mention the particular website name. That so the internet is very uh, slow, friends, here. So I'm living in remote area, so the internet connection is getting slow. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and press the notification bell icon to get the beautiful videos in the future. Now I'm clicking the line images, and the image is directing to some other website. So here we can see the copyrights free images, lot of images. I'm clicking this particular website. When you downloading images, you need to read the copyrights policy of that particular website. Don't skip any of anywhere in this video, so you will miss some of the interesting tips which I will tell in this video. What is allowed? All content on this website can be used for free for commercial and non-commercial uses across print and digital, except in the case mentioned in the what is not allowed. You can read the what is not allowed. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the contributor or this particular website is not certain, but always appreciated by our community. If you download any website, if you download any images from this website, you can give the appreciation or credit to these particular website or creators, original creators. They made a lot of effort to capture those images at a critical point of time of like that. So you must give the credit to them. I hope this video could be very useful to you. To download copyrights free images, you must change these important settings before downloading the images from the Google. I believe that this video is useful to all of you.